You are seeing the dreaded VCRUNTIME140 dll missing error when opening VSTs in Windows, and we are fixing it right now. This missing DLL file is a common roadblock, but our proven methods will get your audio software running smoothly again. First, we're going to download and install the latest Visual C++ redistributable package, which provides all the essential runtime components your VST needs. If that doesn't clear the VCRUNTIME140 dll missing error, the issue often lies with corrupted system files, so we'll move to method 2, running the system file checker tool scan now in an administrator command prompt to repair any damaged Windows components. Still no luck. Method 3 involves manually placing and registering the VCRUNTIME140 dll file into the correct system folders, essentially telling Windows where to find it. Finally, if none of those steps resolve the VST plugin not opening, we perform a clean uninstall and reinstall of your VST host application to ensure a fresh, error-free installation. Follow these steps precisely to fix the Windows VST error and resolve all DLL runtime issues.
Should've known. Be with anyway till we hit a red light. Then I see the side.